Hi there, this is Nathan Woodbury with Blue Jay Website Design, and I'm going to share with you some good news. If you've been searching for custom website design, you will have found two things. The first is a low-priced gimmick. The second would be a great website design program that's extremely expensive. Well, we have developed a system where we can create true custom website design for only $4.99. And when I tell that to people, they always ask me how we are able to do that for such a low price. Well, I'm going to show you.
The answer is found in these three areas: technology, efficiency, and overhead. Now, as I've had the privilege of designing websites over the last 9 years, I've seen many great advancements in website design technology. I have also seen companies that do website design ignore all of these technologies and advancements. Basically, I knew that there was a better way. No one would listen to me, so I decided to start a company of my own. Believe it or not, most website design companies don't utilize all the new technologies that are available. That's what we're all about. Without new technology, Blue Jay Website Design could not exist. Now, I knew that there was a more efficient way of doing things. Now, the philosophy of most web design companies is if you're going to do custom website design, you've got to reinvent the wheel. Now, all I'm really concerned about is making sure that the website looks exactly the way you want it to look, it does exactly what you want it to do, and it's easy for you to get in there and manage yourself. If we can do all that in a more efficient way, I'm all over it. That's how we've structured our business model, and it's working very well. Now, I don't know about you, but I don't think the majority of our customers' web design budget should go towards another company's overhead. In fact, I've seen several companies firsthand that had so much overhead that I had to dig a little bit deeper and see how they were doing it all. Well, what it boiled down to is the money they were spending was borrowed money. Because it wasn't their money, it didn't really matter if it was wasted. The second reason I found is they were significantly overcharging for their websites and delivering a far inferior product. The result is that the business owner has now spent all their money on a website that they're not at all happy with. At Blue Jay, we have found ways to eliminate most overhead, and we haven't had to use any debt. Okay, now you know why we can offer custom website design for $4.99, but you probably want to see some examples too. In the next video, we'll do just that. We'll show you some examples of the websites that we've created in our custom website design program. In this video, we're going to show you many examples of custom website design by Blue Jay, and also show you a little bit about the process of how we go through this with our clients. So first, as an example, this was the previous website of our client. It's no longer found live on the web because they have the one that we designed for them. Now, we talked with them about some of the components that they wanted in their website. They showed us some things. We went through several websites and they showed us different things that they liked, and we came up with some mock-up designs. So we put together, this is just an image. There's no functionality here. We're just looking at an image. We came up with several different mock-ups, lots of different variations, differences on each one. They chose, and now this is a live website, so you can navigate around in here and go to the various parts of their website. They're obviously very pleased with this. We also helped them with their logo work there. Another example, a client came to us, and this is actually their current website. Their new one's not quite live yet on their regular domain, but this is their website as it stands now. Again, we talked about some things that they liked, showed us some examples, and we put together some mock-up designs. And here's a couple different layout designs. And this is live. But it's just got sample content in there, with a lot of Latin text and stuff. But they're now in the stage of uploading all the content that they want for their website. Another example here. This is actually currently live. This is their former website. They showed us some things that they liked, wanted a little bit more images involved. So we put together some mock-up designs. And here's a few different variations. We don't need to go through all those, but here's what we came up with. And this again still has sample content. It's got Latin right there and things, but they're in the works of getting a lot more of their real content uploaded to their website here. And here's another one. This is one that we're also currently working on. This is their current website that's live. Not a whole lot to it. There's got some functionality of a calendar there. They were real specific on what they wanted. They wanted to stick with this green color in their logo. We went through a few revisions with them, and this is the website that we have now, which is basically exactly what they wanted. Now, to tell you the truth, I'm not a big fan of these scrolling news lines or whatever you want to call those, nor am I a big fan of flashing text like this. But that was exactly what they wanted, and they outlined it, so that's what we put together for them. I'll just go through a few more real quick. Here's a website for Bistro 258, a very good restaurant. I've been there before. Another one, Letters from Santa Claus, that we designed for them. Very fun website. Let's see, come over to the next one here. This is a cool website to show an example because we've actually got it in English and Spanish. What we're looking at here is in English, but if I click here, it goes over in Spanish. So we can view also, all the content, the whole menu and everything changes in Spanish. So that's some functionality that might be of help to you. All right, this was a pretty fun website. I haven't heard of this before, but they do live action role playing. And it sounds a lot better than playing games on the computers all day long, because they meet in parks or different mountain locations and will act out these games. It sounds pretty fun. Moving on to the next one here. This website is also in the content insertion stage. A lot of these pictures look nice, but they're a little bit low pixel resolution, and so we're going to be replacing these images with a little bit larger images, but we put these in there for now. These are their images that they provided, but smaller ones. Alright, let's see, what have we got here? Okay, this one also in the content writing stage. The design work is all done, but got to replace some of this Latin text, and a couple of the images we're going to replace, but a lot of the ones are good to go. Let's see. Next one here, oh, this is a cool company. We actually did a lot of work behind the scenes programming all the functionality for this company, but that gives you an example there. Nope, going the wrong way. Okay. And then this actually brings up another thing that I'll show you. This was a website that we did a little bit ago. They opened their dental office in April, and I've already gotten some clients to come to them from this website, partly because of Google. So let me go ahead and show you that. If I just come in here and I type in, the name of their city is Sandy. So if I type in Sandy Dentist, just do a Google search for that, you'll see they're in the second position on the front page of Google right here, Quarry Bend Dental. They were #1 yesterday, so it looks like they jump back and forth, but we're doing some more work that will get them up there. Another one that I want to show you is Ogden Restaurant. We've got Bistro 258 that will come up right there, as well as if I scroll down a little bit, we do have them up on the front page of Google right now for Ogden Restaurant. Ogden is their city, and we're working to push them up higher in the ranks. But we got the domain Ogden Restaurant. That obviously helps out a bit. You click on that, it just goes right over to their website, and we also have done Ogden Catering and things like that. So just to give you an idea of some other things that we can do for you with the website. Well, hopefully this look at a few of the websites that we've designed has given you a glimpse at what we can do for your business. We look forward to hearing a lot of the ideas that you have and learning how we can make your website a lot more professional. We look forward to talking to you.